everyone, tonight I'm going to be making boneless pork chops in the air fryer. These are 7-ounce chops. I drizzled just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on each side of the chops. I seasoned the chops with salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cumin, and this is something I just recently bought on Amazon. It is a hot smoked Spanish paprika. It's really good. So I'm going to rub that in and I'm going to spice the other side as well. Both sides have been spiced. I'm now going to cover it and let it sit for about an hour. Preheat the air fryer to 350 for 5 minutes. And there is the little grill pan. This is the first time I'm using it. And I'm going to just lightly mist it with a little bit of cooking spray. I'm going to add the chops. And a nice little sizzle there. I'm going to start off like 8 minutes and then we'll turn them. The chops have been cooking for 8 minutes. Now I'm going to turn them over. The chops took just about 15 minutes. I cooked them till they reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees. I'm going to cover them with foil and let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes to help it stay nice and juicy. While the chops are cooking, I'm steaming up some fresh broccoli. And also for a side dish, I spiralized some zucchini. First, I sauteed peppers and onions and some extra virgin olive oil. At the last minute, I added some garlic. And then I tossed around the zoodles for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they're done. Dinner served. Here's the inside of the pork. It's nice and moist. It's absolutely delicious, guys. Hope you give this easy recipe a try. Thanks for watching.